Yes, student, let us do the construction. So here we are taking the heading to divide a line segment in a given ratio. So let us take an example over here. Draw a line segment of length 7.6 centimeter and divide it in the ratio 5:8. Measure the two parts. So let us start. First of all, we're going to draw a line. Let it be A, let the name be A and B of the line segment. The measurement of this line is 7.6 centimeter. Using the scale you have to draw. Then draw a line making an acute angle at the base of this line. This is an acute angle. You can take an idea and then draw. The ratio is given 5:8. Add both the numbers of the ratio, we get 13. Now we have to divide the line AX in 13 equal parts. So take the compass, open a little bit, keep the compass at point A and draw the arc. Then keep of the same measurement, keep the compass at the first arc and draw the second arc. Then keep the compass at the second arc and draw the third arc. So this way you can draw the 13 arc. All the arc are of equal measurement. You don't have to change the measurement of the compass that you have taken at the point A. You have to continue with the same measurement. So 13 points we have to draw. Now join the last point with the B point of the line segment. This is A fifth point and this is A 13 point. Now we have to draw an arc. Where you have to keep the compass? You have to keep the compass at the point A 13. Then of the same measurement, you have to draw another arc where you have to keep the compass at the point A 5. Carefully you have to keep the compass. Now this is the point. You have to draw another arc equal to the measurement. Keep the compass at this point. And of the same measurement, now keep the compass at this point and draw the arc. Join A fifth point with the cutting of the arc and draw the line parallel to. So we get the ratio AC, ratio CB equal to 5:8. Measure AB and CB. Thank you.